Assalamu alaikum friends, this is KK Sumbul with Ducks and Happiness, and you are watching the dog of breed. This is the poodle breed of dog. These are basically fancy dogs which are reared for the fancy and as domesticated in the houses, and these are very beautiful dogs. Friends, basically it's has been imported from the Europe. You can see their long hairs, they are basically from the Sonoy area. This is very beautiful and the cute dog you are going to see. Long hair and the white hair, it indicates that they are from some Europe, and Antarctica has been imported from over there here in Pakistan. Friends, these dogs basically found in the three colors of white colors, and third one is black color. All three colors are very beautiful, you are going to see, and this dog has a female which is pregnant, and she's not able to come here over there.
1 month pregnant.
She's 1 month pregnant. Very cute and very beautiful puppy dog you are watching. Friends, these are not adoptable in the humid area. Basically in the southern Punjab, which is whose temperature ranges 40 and 50 degrees centigrade, and they like to live in the AC room and in the cool temperature, which is below than 30 and 25 degrees centigrade.
Brown eyes, normally black eyes भी होते हैं, लेकिन brown eyes को ज़्यादा पसंद करता है। एक कलर जो off white color एक भी बड़ा।
The color of eyes of these dogs are basically brown color, and these are likened for these eyes colors, and you can see its nose color. This is also very cute and very sweet color. Friends, hope so you would have like our video. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notified timely, and like, share, comment our video to your friends as well. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.